Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris Oz Canopies and 4x4 here. We've got an SR Hilux that's come in that we're going to get one of our fiberglass canopies fitted to it. So, should be pretty straightforward. We'll get right into it.
See what? AMG, Billy truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game, the game for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing with her nose. Big dog, I could get the highs and the lows. 5-star suite, she ain't never going home. New Kelly Birkin, red bottoms on her soul. Maybach, heard you only 150 sold. Diamonds in my chain go blind when they play. Diamonds in my chain go blind when they play. Diamonds in my chain go blind when they play. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. Get out my face. Knots was back, now you rockin' a Bronny jersey. I been seeing them sirens when we stopping on Jakes, we gon' go for a chase or something. More money, more problems, so give me the money, cause you know I'm a problem solver. I do what I want, and you do what you can, little nigga, I'm by the box. Take a look at my bitch, drip chat. Take a look at the crib, drip chat. Take a look at the whips, drip chat. Take a look at the chain, drip chat. Look, I stayed up with G, I'm rockin' no Gucci, I'm 27 like it's the clock. I got the keys and my bitch gonna drive her, at least she be spinning the block. Diamonds in my chain go blind when they play. Diamonds in my chain go blind when they play. Diamonds in my chain go blind when they play. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. Froze a bit, ice on my chain. All the more got a plain Jane. The money drive a nigga insane. I made my first meal before the fame. Candy paint dripping, got me moving like a pimp. Cashed out straight, got it from the dealership. The BOA, TD Tandy, Chevy or the Chase. Trap nigga at the shoebox before the bank. Diamonds in my chain go blind when they play. Diamonds in my chain go blind when they play. Diamonds in my chain go blind when they play. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. AMG, Billy truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game, came for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing with her nose. gonna feel alive.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process of a whole bunch of bits and pieces. We're still in the process of getting it done and dusted. You can see the tub liner's gone in there, the modification to the liner to make sure it still fits. You got the color-coded canopy from factory, of course. It looks better than the car, the rest of the car, to be honest. Right, look at that. That side's all fresh and new, that side's not so much. Anyway, central locking on the rear door, that's wired to the car's key, so you can lock and unlock with the car key. Lift up windows both sides, of course. Give you all that side access that you need. Interior vinyl, front sliding window. Brake light on the spoiler. What else? Oh, I'll show the people, right? And we've gone ahead and added these 4 racks and gone ahead and added the spaces as well to make sure that they are all level. Other than that, if you want to grab one for yourself. And it's also got the additional tailgate lock, right? So for all your N80 owners, right, just to make sure that you've got that additional security, it's got these pull bolts on the tailgate over here. Very, very straightforward. So that to make sure the whole thing's secure and that they cannot use the tailgate as leverage to break the rear door of your canopy. All your N90 owners, you don't have to worry about that anymore because finally on the SR Hilux, Toyota has put a key barrel. Anyway, more importantly, you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.